training, sir. I'm gonna put that in the caption. Why not? Let's play with the old algorithm for a minute. I don't know who was taking bets. I don't know what the over/under was, but yeah, I ended up leaving our vacation Friday as soon as I got offline. We are supposed to be there till Saturday,
That's
but
hysterical, Coach.
I know it. I
You
just
couldn't stay there
uh,
another minute.
can't do it.
I was going to ask
I
that.
can't do it. I have never. If we're not somewhere where we have to fly home, every time we've gone anywhere, I have never stayed the whole time. Ever. We have always left the day before. I'm good for about 2 days. So we were there Wednesday to Friday. We got there Wednesday at like 4. We left Friday at noon. That'll do it. See ya. This vacation bullshit out of here. Out.
Get in and get out.
Yep. Get in, get out. I'm done. Out. Can't do it. Can't do it. Which is funny because my wife booked us at the same place again in like 3 weeks. And I'm like, there's really no reason to book us through Saturday. She does it anyways. I'm like, okay, maybe I guess one of these days I'll do it, but I highly doubt that. I don't know. I'm not built that way. I don't know. Can't do it. I just like
Better watch out. Learn how to pull those wires under the hood, and
I
oh, the
know.
car's broke.
Right? Yeah, I can't believe it. It's just wild. I mean, I can't even not work on vacation. I'm just not built that way. I don't know. I must have a little bit of boomer in this Gen X. You know what I'm saying? I can't stop. I just can't stop. They can't stop me.
Can't stop, won't stop, Coach.
Nope, can't stop, won't stop. All right. So this one was quite the runner this morning. This Vision Wave VWAV. Keep an eye on this one today just because it ran so much. uh, yeah, we saw a little bit of action here. Only 2.6 million volume. Let me poke around. Yeah, this V Wave's the one I'm keeping an eye on. It's got 8 million volume. Let me look. I didn't even look at the float. 29 million, so it's not a low float. Just keep an eye on it today. I'd like to see if that can pop 5 today in the regular hours. Vape. You guys made a killing on that this morning, right? Is that the one where Mark made a bunch of money?
Yep, that's it.
Bruno had 15% on his
Yep, I
account.
saw that. Like 14.91. That was beautiful. Beautiful. Mm-mm-mm-mm.
Don't know if you saw it, Coach, but Tesla entered into a $16.5 billion deal with Samsung for their chips.
Yeah, that's incredible. You can never count Tesla down, am I right?
Never.
Everybody was crying and freaking out. Remember I said stop? This just happened, right? Because they had lower auto sales. And now look at us. We're back up to $320 for Tesla, right?
Yep.
Crazy.
It's because people see it, some people only see it as a car company, and that's the last thing it is.
That's what I agree. I think that's the lowest on the totem pole. Yep. I think Tesla would make more money now if they stopped producing vehicles and literally just sold the FSD software to all the other companies, leased it out to all of them. I think they'd make more money doing that. I mean, I know they won't, but I think they'd make more money. You could dump all the manufacturing and processes and all the people and all the things and just straight AI everything, right? I hope they never do that. Shit, I love the vehicles, but I'm just saying, as far as the automotive side, that ain't shit. That ain't nothing. That's nothing at all. That ain't it. Did you guys see that? Speaking of Tesla, Did you guys see that in LA they've got that sweet basically drive-in theater while you charge restaurant?
No, I didn't see that.
Yeah, they got two giant movie screens. You can pull in like old school and order your food literally right on your Tesla screen. Um, yeah, it looks really cool. First of its kind, obviously. So now they're in the restaurant business. Okay,
Coach, did you look at CELC?
I did. Yep, I did. I want to get more volume out of that though, right? I just don't see the volume there yet.
Gotcha.
Yep.
Yeah, Mark was in it earlier in pop, but it just
Yep.
kind of ran out of gas.
Yeah, I would love to see this get more volume. Now I know it's at 2.67 and its average, it's 10 times its average, but look at it. See how it's just flat?
Well, some idiot put in a 13,000 share order up above and killed it.
Oh, killed the momentum.
Yeah, it just died.
Yeah, they're probably bag holding it for like 14 years and said, "This is my moment," right?
Yeah,
I'm out.
there's probably truth to
Yep,
that.
that's how they do it, man. They'll be holding it for years and be like, "That's it. I'm done. I can't take it anymore." And
Well, it had never been that high, so
oh, is that right?
it's,
And then
yeah,
for
the
the next
highest it
3
had ever
weeks,
been was.
and then for the next 3 weeks, it'll like triple. It's, and people like, "I'm getting out," right? It's kind of like if you've ever hold on to a bad trade in the day and you're like, "I just want to break even and I'll get out." And then the rest of the day it runs and you would have 5 extra money, right?
Yeah,
Happens. The life of a trader, man.
but they get to go back to their wife and say, "Honey, look how smart I am. We ended up not losing any money. We
yeah,
didn't
that's
make money,
right.
but we didn't
Right.
lose any money."
I held on to it for 4 hours today when I wasn't supposed to, and it broke even. I got out, and then it ran another 400%. Went through all the pain when I knew I shouldn't have been in it. And then when it finally went its way and the momentum was swinging and everything was perfect, then I got out. I'm a genius. Yeah, you are. Real genius. All right, it's now 9:06. July is almost over. This Friday is going to be party time. That will be our 3-year anniversary of going live every single day here. Hopefully, I will have crazy amounts of energy so I can stream for like 70 hours straight to your freaking eyeballs. That'll be nice. I want to try to really give her everything she's got on Friday. So, moderators, get ready. We're going to go until I die live. We'll get our viewerships up. I'll just die right while we're live after about 73, 74 hours of streaming straight. How's that sound?
You can do it. You can do
Every
it,
hour
Coach.
she's God, Captain.
It's your lifetime before he dies.
That's right. We're gonna get those subscribers one way or another. So if
Coach,
you
you
guys,
gotta starve yourself and hang yourself to a tree. Tie yourself to a tree.
yes, all the things, right? Do all the things. So it'll be amazing. Everybody, make sure you tune in. So make sure you click that follow, subscribe, all the stuff. Be ready. 0.73, yeah.
Remember, on that wheel, we're going to have those pickled hot dogs. Mark was talking about them this
Oh,
morning.
was he talking about them?
Yeah, he was. Well, I asked him, I said, "Hey, have those? Have you been eating those?" He goes, "Yep."
He sent me a picture. He said, "I'm gonna eat the whole damn jar."
The jar looked a lot bigger with him holding the jar than it did on the screen when they was the order screen. It's like,
Oh
holy
yeah,
cow,
it's
40
huge.
bucks didn't seem big.
It's
Big.
huge. There's probably 10 of them in there, and they're the size of like a large bratwurst. Yep. Yeah, it's they're worth it. Did anybody else get those Red Hots, by the way? Was Mark the only one who listened to the sound of my voice and got the processed meats that will kill you faster, but damn, they're so delicious? Did anybody else do that? Is he the only one who listens to me and is now a multi-millionaire? Is he the only one? Do I say that enough times? I think I did. I think so. That's nice.
I'm just waiting on the 15th millionaire before I start listening, Coach.
Right. Yep.
There's just not enough proof in the pudding yet.
I agree. A millionaire every other month. I'm calling bullshit on the whole thing. It's garbage. It's trash. Everything he does is trash. He's trying to sell you some 1999 Discord course, PDF files. Coach trying to sell you a hat and a mouse pad and all the stuff that he talks about. He's trying to get rich from selling mouse pads that tell you not to keep your hands off the mouse. Oh, it's great. That's nice. Let me see. So there's nobody else that got the Red Hots. I can't believe that. You guys really let me down. You let the steam, the wind has come out of my sails, okay? What's wrong with you people? It's you health nuts. It's all you health nuts that shut it down. Talking about running and exercise, diet, eating correctly, hydration, stretching. Didn't want to throw a pickled Red Hot in the mix or what?
You can have everyone else's share.
Our Coach.
It was Dawn. I knew it.
Dawn, damn it.
Moronga leaves.
Grapes only. The grapes only zone. Damn it. All right, listen, it's 9:10. I want to thank you all for being here. If you guys would do me a favor, double click that screen if you're watching over on the TikToks, YouTubes, Facebook, Twitter, Kick, Tumble, Rumble, MySpace, AOL Instant Messaging Board, your BBS channel, whatever you're on right now. Click follow, click subscribe, click the thumbs up, ding. Do all the things. Get the algorithm rocking and a rolling. Thank you. Mark. Oh, great. Here comes Mark. Mark says, those things are horrible like everything else from Michigan. Oh, that's awesome. Go blue. Mark said, go blue. Okay. He didn't say that, but I can say he said it because you can't see that he didn't say it. So I guess he said it. Good job, Mark. Thank you. Appreciate you. Mark's over there throwing that up on TikTok. He's just sneaking around everywhere. He's very, very sneaky. Very, very sneaky. I want to thank all my moderators for putting up with my nonsense. Mark said even my wife liked them. That's awesome. They're really good, man. I'm not going to lie. I wouldn't steer you guys wrong. Thank you to Ange, Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, Eric's Moto, Jeffrey, Dom, Mark, Miranda, Eminem, Palm Coast, Ralph, Richard, Unhappily a Housewife, Gilly, Diesel, Dan, and Mountain Man. And of course, as always, thank you to my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you. We appreciate, love you. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world.
Me.
Thank you. I blow my horn right now, but I'm literally in a parking lot, and it's packed down here. It is packed down here. What's going on, man? It's like...
That's the best time to blow your horn, Coach.
Yeah, right. It's like 90 degrees out already. Oh, it's 85 degrees. I'm in downtown Colonial Williamsburg. If you guys ever wanted to come down here and churn some butter, right? Maybe weld something. I don't know. You can do something down here. Bake some bread. I don't know. Pick up some of the horse poop. There's a little bit of fun here for the whole family. I still laugh all the time when my wife's like, it's a #1. It's like top 10 tourist attraction in America. Did you guys know that?
Oh, they're turkey legs.
I'm like, why? It's
Turkey
like
legs.
it's like 3 dirt roads. I'm like, what is the draw here? She's like, but it's the history. I'm like, stop. Open up Google, man. I don't know. People really like it. Has anybody here gone to Colonial Williamsburg? Is it like the thing? I don't know.
Yes,
See, see.
I've been there.
Oh, it's just
I think
crazy.
it's a Chamber of Commerce promo.
I don't know. I live here. I mean, it's pretty, I guess. I don't know. When you come from Dunedin, where I was at, and you come here, I'm like, okay. There's no ocean. There's no beaches. There's not like 80 pubs, one on every corner. There is a nice one right here, though. I am right near one, but just like I don't know what the tourist draw is. I don't know. What did you guys all do when you came here? Mark says was not a real town. What did you guys do? Did you guys churn butter? What did you do when you came to Colonial Williamsburg? Tell me right now.
did a self-guided tour that stopped at every section and said, please stop now.
That's about it. That sounds right.
I enjoyed the hotel pool.
Okay. Well, that's not a bad
Yeah,
idea. I don't know why you
yeah,
had to
no,
go
but
to.
really,
Yeah.
it was cool though. I enjoyed walking through the old area and
Yeah.
seeing the pool and that kind of thing.
Yeah. Yeah. That's what I mean. I mean, people love it. We've got people we know. They're like, "Oh my gosh, I would love to live there." I'm like, "I'll trade you." I don't know. I don't get it. I
We got
guess.
the park hopper with Busch Gardens, Water
Oh, right.
Country, and
Yeah.
Colonial Williamsburg.
Yeah. 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 Oh, I didn't know they did that. Okay. Well, that's good to know. Maybe that's a big part.
Yeah, I think Jamestown's included in that also.
I gotcha. Yeah, Jamestown's pretty cool when they have their little vendors and stuff out there, the little eats and stores and shops, and that's pretty cool too. Yeah, that's right near us. Yeah, that Busch Gardens is maybe 10 minutes from me. It's like 2 exits from my house. I
My
don't know.
brother enjoyed the red light district there.
Oh boy.
Oh, I just made that up.
Don't be
There's
a
up there.
Richard. Come on, there's no red. Come on. Come on, Richard. Stop it. We
I saw
did
a
go to.
Cybertruck about a block away. I thought it could have been you.
Well, it might have been. It just depends on what day and time. There's only 2 other ones in town that I know of. One of them's my neighbor, not neighbor, but he's in the next street, literally in my subdivision. And then there's one other in town that I never see, but I know he exists because I've seen him twice. So yeah, there's not a lot of them, that's for sure.
Hmm. Yeah, there was some little strip shopping center that had a good Italian restaurant.
Yeah, so if you guys have ever been down here, I'm maybe 50 yards from the literal downtown where you guys all know, which has every single storefront. I'm staring at it right now. I'm staring at all of it. I'm in the
Cool.
public space downtown. Like I could get out of my truck and I'm at every store there. That is one cool thing. It's a nice walking area. I mean, it is pretty nice down here,
It
but
is.
yep, it's pretty.
Downtown's nice. We went to that little candy store.
Yep, that's
down
yeah,
there.
that's
Rock Candy.
yeah, that's right next to me right now. Yep. Yeah, the candy store is nice, right? They had tons of stuff in there. Yeah, that candy store
museum.
is 2 doors down from exactly where I'm sitting right now. I'm on that corner right in that little, you know what I'm talking about, right? The downtown little spot.
Yeah.
Yep, I'm right there. I'm right next to it. Yep. They got the nice Scottish store. Have you been in that?
Yeah, I believe I have.
Yep, that's like 4 doors down from there. Yeah, there's some
They got
nice
the
little.
William and Mary store.
Yep. Yeah, we always walk that William and Mary. We always walk that. If I got out of my truck, I could look down that road and see that right now.
We went to the museum there. That was pretty nice to see.
Yep. Yep, that's right behind me. Yep. They got a Lululemon to my right. which is crazy, but okay. Salad Works is down
My,
here. I mean, there's some very
my
cool
wife
stuff.
really loves the Prime outlets.
Oh yeah, the Prime Outlets, that's by my house too. Yep. Yep, they got Polo down there. I believe Oakley, which is where I got my sunglasses. Yeah, we go down there quite a bit. That's right by my house. Coach is down there, right? Yeah, we're pretty
I
close
believe
to
so.
there. Yeah, we're pretty close to all that. Yeah, I'm in my house is in a subdivision called Ford's Colony. It's a nice gated community. We got 3 18-hole golf courses. We've got 2 Olympic-sized swimming pools, tons of full court basketball, tennis. There's all sorts of stuff here. So, I mean, it's a cool little, it's a cool little place for sure. It's a nice town, clean, no crime, nothing stupid down here. You know what I mean? You can feel safe. You can walk down here at 2 o'clock in the morning and not worry about a thing. You know what I mean? It is nice. It's a nice area. Yeah, pickleball. Yep, pickleball's everywhere for us oldies. By the way, I've never played pickleball still. I'm just kind of afraid with this bum shoulder, but I want to play bad. I used to love tennis. My wife and I used to play tennis all the time. Used to play racquetball. I mean, I would love to play pickleball. I always played table tennis, ping pong, right? So I think I'd have a ball doing that pickleball. We got about 10 minutes. We got about 10 minutes to go. No, it's in Virginia. I'm in Williamsburg, Virginia. I'll say Florida. I wish I was in Florida. I miss the beaches daily. Oh my gosh. Don't get me started on Florida. Who lives in Florida right now? I'm driving to your house.
Me,
Who's in?
coach. Come on down. You're welcome.
Oh, I love your face. I
Hey,
miss.
Coach.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hey, I have a house in Northport,
Oh man.
and I'm going to be there in February. I'll be hanging out on the beach bars.
I hate you guys. I hate all of you. You
I mean,
understand
not
me?
February, the 1st of this coming Friday.
Oh,
I
nice.
live in Florida,
Ah,
Orlando.
yes. Love Orlando. I hate all of you. You guys are all evil people and I hate you. Damn it. Yeah, I miss the whole vacation vibe, right? When I was in Florida, every day felt like a vacation. Everybody wanted to hang out, everybody wanted to do something. There was always something going on, always a festival, a fair, a picnic, an art in the park, you know what I mean? It didn't matter. Dancing in the streets, going crazy. It was heaven. And now I'm over here churning butter on a Monday in July. Maybe that's what I'll do. You know what? Maybe we'll trade and then we'll go churn some butter. How's that sound? You guys want me to take you? We'll go churn some butter. We'll bake some bread. We'll go on a little horse carriage ride. What do you think? Is that what we should do? Would that get the viewership count going? Is that what we got to do? Is that how I'm going to compete with these kids of TikTok? Right? You get the little cute girls, right, drawing lines and literally doing nothing. Right? We gotta. Everybody else is just like driving Lambos and shit. Don't know how to trade. Don't know how to teach anybody and all the things. That's gonna be my move. I'm gonna be the old man who takes you to churn butter and bake bread.
In a
Me-
van down by the river.
and get me an RV. Media team, let's set something up. Let's make something real nice. Let's do that. That's how we're gonna compete. That's it. Now that we know what we're doing, that's what we're headed for. Okay? Thank you for those gifts. I see you. Yard trader, straight razor. I see you, man. Yard dot's over here just blasting the gifts. Thank you. Over on the TikToks, you don't stop. which we have 17 subscribers now over there on TikTok. Woo! Going for that 100 goal. I appreciate. Oh, that's why. It's Papa Todd. Thank you, man. I appreciate you. Good to see you, buddy. Thank you. Appreciate you. Look at all the good. Thank you, my Honda. Getting it done. We got about 6 minutes. Our hot stock picks have already been posted. We've already done all the pre-market setup. All the things. Oh, geez, oh, Pete's. One of my members this morning, whose name shall not be mentioned, who makes more than his six-figure job, shows up every day at American Dream Trading. Every day he comes to the office at American Dream Trading in his bloomers, Crocs with socks, makes over six figures a day, is now up $63,104.90, whose name shall not be mentioned. Thank you. That's nice. How would you guys like to show up every day at American Dream Trading and make over six figures per day? That's nice. Let me play my promo video and then we're going to get started. Make some money in the market. Let's do it.
You guys want to head over to AmericanDreamTrading.com and get signed up at least for the free Discord. Make sure within the first 24 hours you verify your account. You will get an email from us to make sure you verify your account, or the system will kick you off thinking you are spam. You guys can get into our premium membership at $125 a month. With that, you'll get access to the membership lounge, which we have an open microphone where you can ask any questions all day from 8:45 until 4 o'clock. You guys will get all the hot stock picks, which we've already posted and have already been making money on
all
this morning.
the hot
You'll get the
stocks.
pre-market setup, which will give you key critical areas at the opening bell and
throughout the day. Yeah, tell them,
the
Coach.
IPO Center, so any new and exciting IPOs that come out, you will have access to those.
Thank you for those,
any
Callie.
earnings that are coming out, and of course, our videos on demand. We have 11 full training videos
Yeah,
to get you
do.
started. Things like the 2-minute EWO, day trading, swing trading, covered calls, cash secured puts, etc., all inside of our premium membership for $125 a month. When you guys are ready to upgrade, I highly recommend, regardless of how much experience you have, signing up for the VIP membership starting at $500 a month. With that, you'll get the pre-market access starting at 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. every day. You guys will get access to the VIP lounge, all the workshop classes. We put one of those on every month, and the previous recorded sessions. You guys will get the VIP training videos. We have over 50 advanced training videos for you, and the trading view indicators. If you have a VIP, you can upgrade to the gold add-on, which is an additional $250 a month. You can get the mastermind classes, 1 hour of tech support. If you need us to remote in and help you get your charts, etc., set up, we can do that for you. You'll get weekend training every Saturday at 11 o'clock. You'll get the VIP Gold Lounge access, priority help desk support, our news service, which is worth its weight in gold just for that. You'll get all the breakout rooms every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at noon. Everything, of course, for you as a gold member will be recorded. So if you are gold for crypto, futures, or stocks and options, all the sessions will be recorded for you. And of course, you'll get our exciting live Apple chat. We've got David over there in the mornings showing you exactly what he's doing with the 2-minute EWO and just the Apple, which is one of our amazing strategies that you guys will learn here. So we have our futures membership, our regular futures membership starting at $250 a month, which the futures is going on right now. They are, again, just like us, every day with a live open microphone from 8:45 to 4 o'clock every single day. You'll get all the futures education, all of the training videos, the futures lounge. The trading view indicators are actually included with the futures memberships that start at $250, and of course all of the extra Zoom classes when they have them. Crypto is the same thing. If you guys want to jump into the crypto, that one now is also $250 a month and includes the trading view indicators. Same thing, all the training videos anytime that the Zoom sessions are available. Now the Zoom sessions for crypto is a little different just because it's a 24-hour, so we try to bounce that one around so you get different time and different events. We are always posting those, so you guys make sure you take advantage. And of course, a Diamond lifetime membership. With that, you get everything. Unlimited lifetime access, all of our membership services, meaning anything that I create. Platinum's coming up, you'll have access to it. I believe that's going to be $1,000 a month. Diamond, you'll get access to that. It'll just be $20,000. You guys want to head over to AmericanDreamTrading.com and get signed up.
All right, thank you. Hold on, sorry, I was trying to go live on my other account, but it looks like I'll have to verify some information. Moderators, I think our backup account, though, is going to be ready to dance and go live. Yay! Everybody do me a favor. Go to my secondary account. Oh, yeah. You see how which is right on TikTok, American Dream Trading Inc. American Dream Trading Inc. All one word, no spaces, no hyphens, no dashes, none of that stuff. Make sure you guys go check that out. Click follow, trying to get that to 1,000 followers. Moderators, later today, I will try to get that account verified, but it looks like we might be able to start going live with that account. So we'll see. It says it's in practice mode. It wants me to put in like a credit card or a selfie with my ID or whatever to verify your age, which is new. I've never seen them do any of that before. All right, here we go, everybody. The market is now live. We are live. Of course, I will be trading live in front of you today. Just going to go a small account today. Everybody be cool. Nobody get crazy on me, right? Okay, good. That'd be great. Make sure you follow all the rules today. Don't get silly. If you guys want to join us again, go to our website, AmericanDreamTrading.com. Apple 2-minute EWO to the downside. For the first time in a while, it came out of the gate to the downside. Apple 2-minute EWO downside already. See if it's going to stay there. Now today I'm looking at ES and SPY. So if you hear me say ES, that's just on the future side. Watching ES and SPY here. See what it wants to do. Just waiting to see if this wants to pull back down below that 9. It's dabbling around the 21 here. See if we're going to get a pullback. Apple immediately found support at 213.58. Remember, watch those first 3 minutes, right? First 3 minutes of the day can be really tricky, right?
Big spike on Meta.
Thank you. Apple to the upside. SPY still crashing out. I got out a little early on that one, it looks like. SPY. Which one? I'm sorry, go ahead.
Vape.
Vape halted to the
Downside.
downside. Okay, thank you.
AMD, nice pop to the upside.
All right, thank you.
Tesla 2-minute red breaking previous day low.
Thank you. Good call outs. Still watching on SPY here. I think I'm just going to set a trailing stop on this one. Set it, forget it. SPY still pulling back. Oh, just got stopped out. Let me chart this actually. See major areas right there, right here. here. Pre-market high. Thank you for the money gun. I see that over there. Appreciate you. That's why they call you Big Papa. Okay, good. I got this all charted out now. We're good. We are good. Here's a level. Right here. All right, we're good. All right. Let's dance.
NVNI hot stock pick moving to the upside up for 50%.
All right, thank you. Still getting this nice pull off of SPY here. SPY still respecting the 21 to the downside. It's got 40 cents to go before open or before close of day on Friday session. So it's going to put it around 637 or so. Yeah, 637.05. Be close right there for close of session. So it's treating this area as support. Still hovering around. Here goes a little bit of more of a pullback. Still fighting this area. Just going to put in a hard stop. Just in case it decides to pop and run the 21. Still pulling back, still respecting the 21 on SPY. Does anybody see anything else? Anything else moving? Google, Amazon, Microsoft, the Qs? Let me know.
Hot stock pick LIDR.
Is
Nvidia and the Qs is moving higher.
all right. Thank you.
Moving up. Pretty good.
Thank you. Good stuff. Still waiting here. SPY is still respecting the 21. Don't have a ton of room. I got about 50 cents to go to gap down the previous day close. I've got my stop in place. Looking for this to bleed out still. Getting some volume to the upside there. Still respecting the 21 though. Thank you for joining me, everybody, and double tapping those screens. I appreciate that. Clicking the follow. Love your faces. Still waiting on this. We're watching SPY, Ace. What you see on my screen is actually ES, but it's doing the same thing as SPY. So even though it says ES, we're just watching SPY right now, okay? There it goes, starting to bleed out. Goes looking for some more. It's down here, but just can't make the move yet. trying. I didn't want to protect that trade when it was that tight to where I bought it. I want it to pull a little bit more, and then I'll protect the trade, because then I'll be looking for it to pull and then pull again to the downside after this area right here. I'll actually mark it. Looking for it to pull below this area, and then I can protect the trade, and then it should make a nice downward move. That's all I'm waiting for right here. It's getting close. There we go, a little more. Little more. Come on. Keep coming. Boom, I'm in it. It's a free trade all day now, right, gang? Stay down there. Free trade. Who doesn't like a free trade? Looks like I took it for 150 bucks. Can't sit down there. It needs to sit down there and stay down there, right? There it goes, damn it. That's what I was looking for. Still got a little more meat on the bones. Got it close to 05, but not much more than that. It's technically considered the gap fill now, but overall momentum downside. There we go. There we go. That's nice. There's your gap fill to 637.05. Isn't that what I said? We were looking for that gap fill right there, right? Just hit 08.
Right on, boss.
Yep. I'm going to mark this level right there. Good job. Good job. Looking for the break now. Now remember, we're on support. This is previous day close to this exact penny. Looking for a nice bleed out below here is what I'd like to see. Need to be patient. We doing all right over there on TikTok? This thing keeps yelling at me that it's like offline constantly, but I see the numbers are still growing, so we must be okay, yes? Hopefully we're all right. TikTok, are you guys okay? We're not getting any weird up, down, up, down, up, down connections, okay? Good to see you.
My screen keeps blacking out on that, coach. Just
Does it?
refresh it and it comes back. You're still there.
Okay.
I thought it was on my end.
Okay. Texas says yes. Texas, is the stream okay? Golden Bullet says okay. All right, thank you. Appreciate you. Yeah, it's constantly trying to reconnect, but my numbers are growing, and usually they don't do that when it's up and down, so must be all right. All right, right here. This looks like a decent spot to get back. Right. Watching these two candles right here. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna flush again right here. Trading the candle itself on this one, using the previous wick as my stop. Actually, I'll show you. It'll look like this. It's going to retrace to this 9. Come on, you guys see how I'm using the previous wick here? Technically, I could put this stop just above the 9, but looking for the pull right here. Oh, stopped out. It did. It hit the 9. That's all right. Apple.
AMD's beating its own drum. New high of the day.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
AMD.
Thank you. Apple 2-minute EWO downside. Good job. There's that pull I was looking for, but it pulled up, hit the 9, excuse me, bounced. This TikTok thing just constantly keeps saying can't connect, can't connect. I don't know what this thing is doing. It's constantly blowing my stuff up. All right, let's put in a looser trailing stop on this so I can put in a trade and leave this thing alone. Let's go. Yeah. Let's see how large this is. I don't normally trade ES. I'm always trading NQ. Oh, that's way too big. Look at that. That's what I have to have on NQ. Let me change that. So we're going to put in a trailing stop. Let's see what, I think 8's too small. Let's try 12. Yeah, that's better. Now let me see what 12 does. 12 at a trailing stop. All right, hold on 1 second. Let me look. Yeah, that's good. Okay, that'll give me some room to breathe in here. Yay.
Diet Coke. The nectar is now Mountain Dew. Right?
Sorry about that, gang. Okay. My wife decided to come up and bring me a giant big gulp at 9:45, which she never does at this time. Okay. Are we ready? Are we still here? Is everybody still alive? I don't know what happened. We good? Everybody here? Okay, good. Oh, it looks like
Let's go.
all right. Okay, good. Looks like SPY popped. Nova feed seems fine. Okay, thank you. All right. So SPY up respected that 637.05 and bounced. Apple still 2-minute EWO to the downside. I know you guys are bouncing around VWAP, but it's still to the downside, never broken held. Now, what is SPY going to do here? Starting to pull. Again. But I'm watching the 9 and the 21 off of this. How we doing, gang? What's AMD doing? Nothing? All right, thank you.
A little pullback.
Thank you. There goes SPY now below the 9. See if that can continue to pull. See if it's got more to give.
First green, 2-minute EWO on Tesla.
Oh, good call out. Let's take a peek while we're just sitting here watching this paint dry.
You might be on the 1 minute there.
Yeah, it's not there
Not you,
quite
Coach.
yet.
It's not there.
It's almost there, partner. Not quite yet, but it's almost there. There goes
Yeah,
SPY.
flash freeze for a second and turn red again.
Yep, no worries. Good call. Here goes ES and SPY pulling now. That's what I wanted to see earlier. I'm in a decent position for it. See if this will bleed out farther. I gotta turn off the notifications for that. That thing is driving me bonkers over there.
Coach, AMD has been kind of hanging out around VWAP, but it did break and held, and now it's heading up.
Okay,
And
thank
it's over
you.
VWAP. It's
Thank
turned
you.
into a good trade. Good
Good.
star.
Good. Tesla, you guys are watching for a double top at 322.65. Everybody see it?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. SPY back down here again, this 637.05. It's really, every time it gets to around 637.20, you can see it's fighting that area, right? Just keeps
Google
doing
new
that.
low.
Google new low, thank you. So everybody, if you're in Tesla longs, just be careful. The closer you get to that 322.64, that's going to be a double top off the pre-market high, okay? So be cool up there. So you're starting to get a little bit of traffic at 321, which is where it was bouncing around a ton in the pre-market. Do you see it at 321? So that's why you're getting a little bit of some resistance in there.
Isn't that right at the 200 on the 2 minute?
Yep. Yes, sir. A lot going on in that little spot. SPY here, I'm still looking to see. We've still got downside momentum here on SPY. There goes Tesla, 321. We got about 60 cents to go on that, gang. Be cool.
I got a goal line at 322.59 for me, but I think that's just pre-warning.
All right, thank you. SPY again, still fighting around the 637.20-ish mark. Still holding this for the downside momentum. I could take it about 200 bucks, but still overall it's just all downside momentum here on SPY. You see it? There goes Tesla. Watching 322.64. It's now at 322. You're at 322, right?
Yep. 322.22.
Yep, 26. Be careful, getting closer. 30, 31. 41, 49. You are on a double top now on Tesla.
322.59. That's
Everybody hear the sound of my voice?
Yeah.
It's a nice collect area. Can always add in, but you want to collect on the major areas, right? $321.74. That's a nice pullback, right? There it goes. There's $1 right there. That's $1 pullback on Tesla off the double top, right? That was nice.
That was pretty strong, wasn't it?
Yeah. Let me flip this to a 1 minute. See what it looked like. Oh yeah, still getting some blowback off of it. SPY still trying to make its move. I'm still in that downside, still letting it work in here. Just don't feel like today, right? Usually I'm making 800 trades. I just don't feel like making 800 trades today. Have you noticed the trade style today is different? I'm not, I'm just gonna set in a couple of dinky trades, let them work, do what you're gonna do, right?
Your entire cadence is a little testy today. So yeah, it's a good day.
Yep. Tesla is still trying to fight that double top, gang.
AMD's coming up to a 52-week high.
Thank you. Now, did you guys notice that Tesla, almost every candle was green from 944 all the way until you hit that natural double top, and it's been red ever since. Anybody notice that?
7 green ones.
Yep, and then now 3 red right in a row, right?
Yes, sir.
There goes SPY. SPY is now dancing with the devil in the pale moonlight right here. Dancing on previous close of day. Right here. Nice, beautiful downside momentum. Looking for a breakthrough to the downside here. If it does, I'll be moving it, looking for 636.69 for my next fill. Tesla came all the way back down to the 9 at that 321 we talked about and is now in the channel 63, 322.63 to 321. That was $1.60 pullback. Doesn't sound like a lot, but that is a ton if you've ever traded Tesla options, right? That's huge. And the fact that you knew exactly where to short or exactly where to collect, isn't that worth everything, gang?
Yes, it is. 100%.
Yep.
Sir.
That's
On
part
the money.
That's how dreams are made, baby. Still waiting over here on SPY. Tesla is on the struggle bus now. They had all that momentum. Everybody was screaming to the moon. Hey, it's going to go forever. It hits a natural double top. Stalled. Dead, right? It's dead.
That's like a concrete wall.
It
That
is.
a complete shift in momentum.
Yep.
I mean, Jesus.
Isn't that crazy? Right there. Just dead.
I think Elon made that deal with Samsung just to get some of his money back.
Mm-hmm. Look at this. So who shorted Tesla on the double top?
Anybody?
Yeah,
Anybody?
I'm really curious. It's my favorite #1 best trade in the business. I'm just curious.
I took my profits. I didn't short it.
Oh, okay. Good job. Took your profits. That's good enough. I can live with that. What's my favorite trade in the business, everybody?
Double top.
There you go.
Double top.
There it is. Now you guys know why, right? It's
Nice.
statistically, it's the greatest trade I think in the business. If you were going to wait for a single trade all day, the golden goose A+ setup, that's it.
Double
top every single freaking time. It is the golden goose A+, best trade in the business. Nothing gets close at all, ever, never has, never will. That's it. That's all. Thank you.
Puts are so much better than calls. I like red all the time. I would rather trade
change,
down
coach.
all the time.
Shift change in 45 seconds. Thank you. Appreciate you.
It's funny, Coach. You never used to see anybody talk about double tops. Now you do after they sat here and watched you.
Oh yeah, never, ever, ever, ever,
No.
ever.
I never have. I watched all the other people see what they're talking about, and I've never seen it. I've been here 3 years and watched them all.
Yep, never.
And now they're all talking about it.
Oh yeah, you never saw them talk about open range breakout either. Ever.
No,
Never,
no.
ever, 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 ever.
No.
I've been doing this 33 years, watching, monitoring everybody, all their competitors. Nobody has ever done anything until they saw it at American Dream Trading.
Yep, and that's why you have
Ever.
14 millionaires, and I've seen them from September 13th,
Yeah, it's crazy.
2022.
Talking about the psychology of trading and right channel trading and scalping. And now everybody before was like, you're trading on a 1 minute. You're an idiot. You can't make money on a 1 minute.
You're a scalper because you can't trade.
Yeah,
That's
think
what
about
they're
it though. That's what everybody was saying. Everybody.
I know. I was here. I saw them.
It's crazy. And now look at us because we are the best of the best. We have trained the best, right? Our best makes more money than any other stock market trader in the world. Period. Point blank. That's it. Don't give a shit.
Put that in your journals.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Smoke that. Put that in your pipe and smoke it, little kitties.
It's true. Proof is in the pudding.
Absolutely. Tesla pulled all the way back to 321 again.
Yeah,
and it's fighting that 322.63 again, right? And I told you the channel is 322.63 to 321. Didn't I say that 10 minutes ago?
Yes, sir.
There it is. It's fighting it constantly.
It really wants to bust through it.
It does. It's trying. Yes, do me a huge favor. Yeah, follow that secondary account, American Dream Trading Inc. on TikTok. Thank you. Appreciate you. Still watching SPY. Dancing around this area. It's still downside, right? But it keeps bouncing on that 637.20. Could I take my money 16 times down there? Yes. Should I? Probably. Do I want to? Nah. I'm not feeling that. I'd rather put in some tiny ones today, let it go, do its thing, work your magic. Just not in the hustle trade mentality today. It's coming from the lake. I just don't feel like, no, click. I'm just not feeling it today.
There she goes.
Just not going to do it. It's not going to do it. Look at Tesla. There we are again. The channel from 322.63, it's now touching it again to 321. You see it?
Yep. Right on.
Still off the damn double top where I told you to collect, and or you always short a double top. I don't give a shit who you are, right? Either way.
Did you call this 637.53 like a major level because it's hit it several times both up and down?
Which
It's,
one?
you know,
Which one for what?
637.53 on SPY.
630. Yes.
Yeah,
Yep.
major level.
Yeah, and I've got it marked again right now.
Oh, do you? Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, because I
Yeah,
have that
it's
marked. So you
yeah,
see,
it's
yeah, both
literally
times
on my
it's
screen
hit
right
with
now as
53.
we speak. Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
There goes Tesla.
Starting to look like Thanksgiving for Tesla.
Yep. It's now down on the 21. And again, it's still fighting this now 321 area, right? Look at SPY. SPY climbed all the way up from that bottom garbage. All the way back up. Tesla. Whose life did I save with Tesla? Tell me now. I'm sure I saved somebody's life.
You saved mine.
Oh, you're helping me create mine.
And the crazy thing is, right, that it just looks like it just wanted to go forever. Had big news, tons of momentum, massive volume to the upside. Everybody in the room's yelling it out. It's yeah, all the things. And I'm like, it's dog shit. It's gonna die right here, right?
I got a SPY holding up above the 55.
Yeah, I should be longing it, but I'm in here. Yeah, I should be longing it now. Anyways, I took.
Oh no!
But
Oh, man,
anyways,
Tesla!
yep,
Look at Tesla! It's
I know.
going down.
It's like clockwork, baby, right off the double top. Now it bounced off that 200. It bounced off the 200, showing that as support, right?
Right.
So you gotta take that into consideration. The major support area. Now we're back above that 321, looking for the climb again to what?
2260.
There you go. That's all we're watching for now, right?
Hey, coach.
Yes.
TikTok went down completely.
Oh, did it? Okay, thank you. Yeah, I figured it would.
Are we approaching this double top at Apple as well?
Go live again on this thing. Try it again. Protect this trade, which I could have done on the last one. I don't. Making my way downtown. There it goes, Tesla. Like I said, making the move. Climbing back to 323. TikTok. You're such a pain in the butt. TikTok, I swear, is
Check
a
out the
blessing and a
coach.
curse.
Check out the double top pullback on AMD.
Let's take a peek, shall we? Did anybody call that double top pullback?
Got in a little late, but I'm in it.
Oh, that's a micro double top. That's tiny, but yeah, good job. Nice call. It's glorious. No. Tesla hit 22, still trying to fill that gap up to around that 60 area. Again.
I mean, you did say you was trying.
Yep. Well, remember I said that is support on the 200. That's a major level of support, right? And then it got 1, 2, 3, 4 green candles after it.
Correct. Yep. And VWAP's right there under that as well. That's another massive
Yep.
push.
Yep. And it's still fighting this channel. Listen, it wants to break new high over there off that 63. It wants to. It's only a matter of time, right? The momentum is all upside, but it has to shake everybody out on the way up, right? That's how it works, gang. It's getting rid of the weak players that can't handle it. I'm out. And then, make new high. There it is again. It just hit it again. This, I mean, technically it's 50. That's what it's done 1, 2, 3 times, right? I have 63, close enough for government work, but it's technically 50 that it's done it on. That's the third time. But I told you, right? There's your gap fill again from the 200 MA all the way up to that 60 area, right?
Break and hold before you go long.
Yes. Yeah, big time, right? There we go. Told you, it's only a matter of time. That's not a break and hold, in case anybody's wondering. 3 seconds on the candle, 2, 1. New candle forming. There's your new candle. Make sure your new candle is higher than the previous candle. Listen to the sound of my voice. Don't get excited yet.
Right, because it needs to maintain or establish that next channel on the upside
That's
before
correct.
retail.
That's correct.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Yeah, I think I'm suck in this weekend.
Because that will fake you out and you will think you're golden and then it'll do that. Right?
That's exactly right.
That's a retest of that 63. So that's what you want. You want to see it come back down, tap, go back up, make new high, enter. That would be the perfect trade. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. I want to see a spike in volume upside now. Otherwise, this thing is dead. Right here. Get a spike in volume upside. Oh, look at SPY collapsing again. Right here, I want to see a spike in volume on Tesla. So I would long this with my stop below the 9. That is your retest, right? So very minimal risk. It should have a nice pop now, yes? And if not, I don't want none to do with it. Make sense? That's a retest. That's a breakthrough. Retest should supernova now upside. Everybody should be like,
So
if
that's
not,
a
I don't want it.
3-minute break and hold.
Yep. And look at SPY just crashing out. Couldn't get above the 200. Flushing out. So on SPY, I'm looking for a retest low. There it goes, Tesla. Congratulations. Good job. Good job. So Tesla, I'm looking long. SPY, I'm looking short. How's your day going? Making my way down. Who got in on that Tesla when I said right there 63 on the retest with a spike in volume back upside, huh?
I hope that truck is soundproof. You're out there at the parking
I
lot.
know it. Anybody do exactly what I said or no?
Making
I
money.
did, Coach.
Okay, thank you.
I did.
Thank you. That's nice. Look at that.
On TSLL, coach.
Yes, look at that monster now, right?
Goodness.
Yep, that is now $2 from that 63. I told you, watch for that pullback. Get it right there. Put your stop below the 9. Boom, volume spike. It's beautiful. It's perfect setup. It's perfect trade. Money, money, money.
Hey, coach, should I be raising my stop up on that or should I just set it and forget it.
It's up to you, right? If you want to nudge it up, I like to do that.
Yeah, I like doing that too.
Yeah, me too. That way I can, lock in more profits. But, if you're in a good spot, you're comfortable, you're not, super in, you could take some off, you could move your stop up, right? All sorts of things you can do with it. It's up to you. Now it's just a matter of how much money do you want to make? Ain't that a bitch, right?
Yeah, for real.
It's such a terrible thing. How much do I want to make on the trade? I mean, that's where you're at.
I'm in TSLL. I made $400 so far.
Oh my, good job.
2K for me.
Good job. I'm down $1,300. I'll trade you guys. With my laxadacious, like falling asleep at the wheel, not really giving two shits today.
Oh,
On my $50 back.
Yeah, I know. I'm just like, I should just not trade. There's just no reason. I'm just not in it at all. Anybody ever feel like that? You're just blah. You just don't care. That's not a good day to trade. When you don't care, that's not a good day to trade, by the way, when you don't care.
Right?
Know your emotions.
Yep. That's not very smart. All right, Tesla. Who can give me the next major resistance level on Tesla? Tell me now.
324.50.
All right. That's got to be above that because we're at it.
324.80.
All right. Marking it now, and then I'm going to go back and check. And if you're wrong, you owe me a steak.
All right.
All right. Marking it.
And like you said, it doesn't have to be exact. I'm just close,
I don't see that area anywhere, young lady.
I don't know. I'm not saying that. I just glanced over and looked at it.
I have 325.74.
Yeah, I got 54.
I don't even have it on my chart. I was looking at your chart. I'm in a spy trade.
Christina.
I'm just throwing things. Well, I
Stop
didn't
it.
look at it.
Oh, it's right here.
Yeah, right there.
326, 20-ish.
Oh, that was close.
Just making up shit.
I am, because I didn't see the whole chart. I just glanced over. And
Come on.
I see your chart. I'm in spy. Look, I'm busy.
Google new low.
Thank you.
That was an easy trade today.
Oh, good job. Hopefully you made some cash, money, dollar. Make you holla.
I did. I gave some back on Apple.
It's all right. It happens.
But Google's looking good. Yep.
Good job.
Waiting for another entry.
Good job. All right, everything is charted out. There are all your next major levels right there, gang. 326.23, 326.89, 327.44. Tesla, new high a day. Who's still in it? Tesla. Everybody in the room got in at 322.63. Told you to put your stop below the 9. This was a perfect trade. It broke through the major level of resistance, came back, pulled back, retest, boom, enter. Bam. You are now up $3. $3 on the perfect entry trade. Exact call out to the penny from the old man sitting in the Cybertruck. Who's still in it? Talk to me.
Is that a
Still enjoying it.
I'm still in it.
old man.
Thank you.
TSLL.
Thank you. You guys are a bunch of beautiful people, and I love your face. Making my way downtown.
He's rejecting off the 200.
All right.
That song's going to be stuck in my head all day.
I can't. I'm sorry. There's nothing I can do about it.
Good.
Nothing I can do about it. Just
It's all
here
right. I'm
to
going to put it all to you guys, too.
just here to put a bunch of money in your pocket and entertain you in the dumbest way possible.
325.75. What did I say?
I just feel bad because you guys are like, well, I gotta put up with this dumb shit because I'm just printing money left and right. I gotta hear stupid, idiotic jokes and songs and crap because I'm a millionaire now. I can't help it. I gotta listen to his dumbass rhetoric all day and America and all the dumb shit that he spouts out of his mouth because all I do is make money when I listen to the old man.
Bang, bang.
Bang, bang.
Bang, bang, bang.
Tesla, new high a day.
Yeah, baby. That's a hammer. Look at that. 1 minute. Pushing it up.
That's nice.
We're trying.
That's nice. Look at that. We all just hammered that. Well, you guys, I'm over here losing money, and I'm telling you guys how to make money, right? 322.63. $3 move to the upside.
I can tell you, Coach, when I have bad days of focus, and we all have them, I don't know if this is the right thing to do, but I try to tighten up my stops when I recognize I may get kicked out early, but I definitely minimize my losses.
Yeah, and going small too, right? That's the dream. Yeah. That's the magic sauce. Right here, gang, this is what we were trading off earlier. We caught this double top, right? This right here. We hammered this double top all the way back down to the 200. You heard me say it. I said the 200 is a strong level of support right there. Okay, this is where we longed it. Right? All the way back up to 322.63. Right? All the way back up here again. Okay. Then, right here is where it pulled back. And this is where I said long it with your stop, which at that time was about right here. Right?
Yep. That was a break and test and rehold.
That's right. So it broke through resistance. Well, that's a ugly R. Hold on. Resistance. Broke through. Retest. Right? We hammered it, and now new highs. Now you guys are now $4 to the upside. It hit 40 at 60 cents. That'll be $4 upside. Tesla. Perfect trade. Media team, do your thing on this whole thing. Perfectly executed trades all the way across the board, all day, every day. It's all we do. Bang, boom, bang, get a doon, dang, doon.
Get a round of applause for the coach.
Thank you. Appreciate you.
Boom. Shakalaka.
Thank you. Appreciate you. And Spy's over here wanting to just take a dump to new lows. As I'm over here walking you guys through this trade, Spy is just over here like hemorrhaging. Big time. Now, just like this, you guys see how Spy went all the way up to the 200, right? Couldn't break. Well, guess what? Nunites. Isn't that what we talked about with Tesla when it hit the 200 for support? Just the opposite, right? Good job. Good job. Yep. Yes, I could have made 150. No, I did not take it. Why? I have no idea. I'm just lazing around. I'm like on a lazy river of trading today. Coach, wake up. Wake up. That's the trade. Thank you. Look at Tesla. You already know, right? Everybody should have been collecting on that sucker when you saw that blood red candle break through the body of the previous candle into an engulfing candle, which already tells you downside now, right? Yes? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. It's just basic 101 trading right there, right? Let me show you. This candle. That's an engulfing candle, right? See how its body is larger than the previous? See it right here? That is a direction change. Good. Glad we're all on the same page here. Who made money on that run? That $4, close to $4 run.
I did.
Thank
Thanks.
you.
I did, Coach.
Thank you. Think about it. If that was Palm or somebody at $4, he'd have about
They should by
5,000,
now.
probably have 5,000 contracts on it because he usually does SPX with 3,000 contracts, which is 10 times Tesla's size. So 5,000 contracts, $4, that's about $250,000. Maybe a little more. Maybe, I guess actually it's a lot more. No, no, if it was SPX, it would be because it isn't. Yeah, it'd be about 180 to $250,000 move. Yep. Not bad. Not bad. It'd be about 8 minutes of work. Yep, not bad. You guys realize he's doing like 3 to 5,000 SPX contracts at a time now, right?
That's insane.
Yeah, it's next level redonkulous.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, every move now, every major move now is about $200,000 for him on a candle.
Yeah, every move is a puke move.
Yeah, on a candle. Yep.
I know. Oof.
Pretty cool. Good
Palm's
stuff.
like his own institution. It's Palm INC.
Yep. Oh yeah. Yep. All we do is create amazing redonkulous. Oh my gosh. Speaking of amazing redonkulous. So you guys remember when the member I told you about was at 63,000 at 9:13? You want to know what he's at now? Exactly 1 hour later, 10:15. You want to know where he's at?
There.
I told you every day this person shows up at American Dream Trading. Every single day he makes more than an entire year of a six-figure job every day. He's now up 150,550 and 20 cents.
Damn, I was going to say 147.
Yep. Every day he shows up for work at American Dream Trading is like adding an entire year of what he worked before. All he's got to do is show up. American Dream Trading, every day is a year. How would you guys like to every day you show up here, you make more than you made for an entire year? Every single day.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. I teach you guys how to do this all day long. It's the 14th person that I've made able to do that, right? It's funny. I take people that have never traded before and make them literally the greatest traders the world has ever seen. That's my job. Does anybody else know of anybody making 150,000 plus per day every single day? Has anybody ever heard of it? Have you ever seen it? Do you know anybody? Has anybody on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, Tumble? I don't give a shit. Is anybody ever done that? Ever?
No, it's unbelievable. It's
And I've got
amazing.
Not that I know of.
Here's the beauty. Now here's what's crazy. I've got people doing 10x that in a day. Right? That's not even big. I've got people doing 10x that size in a day, yes? 10x. What you just heard. We're here every day. I give you this training every single day.
I can tell you, Coach, if that ever happened with me, or when that eventually does happen to me, I'm telling you, I'm stopping it at 3, maybe 5 or 7 years, 10, maybe 12.
Good job. Yeah, this person we're talking about now has made what was it? I did the math. 40 years of his day job, 2.5 years of being here with me. The other person that I'm talking about has made, well, let's see, it's got to be pushing $60 million last year, maybe more, because I think he did 15 million last week. Has anybody heard of these numbers, by the way? Because I haven't. Anybody?
I haven't.
No, I haven't. Never. Not one time ever.
I have at ADT.
Thank you. I appreciate you. Check's in the mail. Check is in the mail. Appreciate you. It's glorious. It's glorious. Yeah, nope. Yeah, I'm telling you, we do it all the time. Don't forget, gang. This Friday is our 3-year anniversary. Make sure you show up. Click follow, click subscribe so you know when I go live. We're going to be doing tons of giveaways, fun games, prizes. Maybe we'll throw in some amazing deals. I don't even know why why am I in your trading still? Just get out of these trades. You're doing nothing. I'm literally doing nothing but just throwing money away. Get here Friday. Be here all day. Be ready to rock and roll. 3-year anniversary. We're going to have testimonials. You're going to hear from all these people I'm talking about, by the way. I've reached out to some other people that have made 20, 30, 40, and $50 million since being here, which is astronomical. Hopefully hopefully they'll show up. I don't know. Oh, 184,000 now. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. In the last 10 minutes, you made another $35,000. That's nice. Good job. Don't forget, if you guys are interested in joining us, if you want to work literally with the greatest stock market traders the world has ever seen before, now is your only chance. American Dream Trading. If you're tired of just watching the kids of TikTok do absolutely nothing, give you zero training at all, ever, now's your opportunity. I've been doing this for 33 years, trading in the stock market. I've trained over 1 million people. I would say, don't come at me with receipts, but I would say we are the most profitable stock market education / trading community the world has ever seen before. I've been here 3 years. My competitors have been out here 15 years doing it. All of my millionaires have made more than they have, all of them, individually. As a group, I mean, we're more than Wall Street. Woo! We are Wall Street. We need to just change our name. American Dream Trading Wall Street or something. That's it. .org, .biz, .edu, .things. Right? That's it.
The new street.
Yes. Thank you. Appreciate you. Don't forget, post your stories over in a 3-year anniversary. It's over on our Discord. It says 3-year anniversary. It's underneath testimonials. So far, I have testimonials from JC Trading, Doug, Wizard, Oraclo, Bayside, Victoriano, Broken, Charles in Charge, Ray, LaCroix, DPS, nice picture of that vehicle. Love it. I want to see more of that. Wolf. James. So far, that's the only 3-year anniversary testimonials we have. Get in there. I've been doing this 3 years. If we've touched your life, if we've changed anything, if we've helped you in any way, listen, I know for a fact we've already done like 50 fundraisers. We've raised millions of dollars, either in discounted services, cash, giveaways, prizes, fun things, millions of dollars. There should be more than 9 people. I've given away millions of dollars in services. Get over there. Chop, chop. Do the things. I want to see them all. Want to see them all. Get over there. Do it. If you guys don't want to post it in that, you can also email us media@americandreamtrading.com, which we just had one come in. I think it was over the weekend. So get over there. Appreciate you. Thank you. All right, it's now 10:35. Yes, Nico says, I'm ready to work for myself from home. American Dream Trading. Absolutely. Absolutely. We're here for that. I like that. Yeah, what is your why, everybody, right? What is your why? I see that we've sold 3 of my one-on-one coaching with myself personally for a year straight. I will do 1 more of those. I don't want my schedule too full. I'm kind of making sure that it doesn't get ridiculous. If you want to work with me directly for a year straight, which is 3 hours a month, it can either be 1 3-hour, 2 1.5 hours for a year straight. I don't want to toot my horn. Toot, toot. But I will. If you want to work with the greatest stock market educator the world has ever seen, at least that I know of, and I can say that confidently by what the community is doing, you can work with me for a full year. Get over there. Open up a help desk ticket. Do it now. First come, first serve. That's it. I'll do 1 more. Do it now. Open the ticket. Like I said, I can't do too many because if my schedule gets too full, it'd be too hard to compensate for them. I've done 3. I can add 1 to the queue. It's $50,000 for a year of direct training with me. Get it now. By the way, when would you ever have that opportunity in your lives ever to work with somebody like that? Ever. And I mean ever. Anybody?
Like never.
Yeah, never. There's no way ever. Not a chance in hell ever. There's no way ever. Get it?
Ever.
Ever. Ever. Get it done. Get it done. I'll see you over there. We'll do 1 more. Yeah, I would start with no money, Nico. No money. Yes, just the membership. He says plus the membership. Yeah, I get it. No money. I don't want you. You should start with no money. Literally. Get the training. Yep, we do not yet. Do not use any real money. Paper trade. Simulate trading, right? Don't use real money when you start. No, no. Nope. There's no reason to use real money at all. You want to start working on it, getting your mechanics, understanding the ebbs and flows of the market. How does it work? Right? All of the things. Then we go in small, right, with your training wheels. You learn the strategies, you develop and find out exactly what trader or what kind of trader you want to be. Swing trading, day trading, right? Long-term investments, scalping, 2-minute EWO, like then you'll narrow down your strategy, right? And then once you become profitable with your training wheels on and very small account, then you can increase that size until it's comfortable, right? Slow and steady. Kind of like if you just started running or an exercise program, you don't want to go all in. You will hurt yourself. You won't be able to do it. You won't be able to stomach it. It'll be hard, right? Runners are only, you're only supposed to add on X amount of mileage, which is tiny, by the way, per week or per month. You don't add a lot. It's the same way with trading, right? David over here, think about it. One of the best traders in the world now, David, who's showing you every day 2-minute EWO live, right, for VIP gold members in the chat area. Every day, 750,000 still is progressing by slowly adding more contracts. And he's been doing it every single day, and he's been profitable every day since October. Not a single red day, and is still slowly increasing position sizes as long as the comfort level is there. That is how you do it. Right? It's whenever you think you're going to go in and go big and go crazy, and no, you're just going to lose big, lose crazy, and right? It does you no good. So please go in small, get the training, do all the things before you go nutto land, right? Yeah, I do. I repeat it every day because that's what he's saying. It is. It's the most important thing. Remember, we're trying to help you protect your assets while growing your portfolio. And if all you guys do is come in and blow up your accounts, watching all these little kids on TikTok and YouTube and all this crap, well, you got to have some skin in the game and all these stupid things that I hear all the time, which makes no sense. That's why they have no good training record at all, ever. Right? Don't listen to none of that nonsense. It's trash. No. Go in with nothing. How has he gone green day since October? Because he's following the rules. I created that 2-minute EWO strategy. He follows it to a T. He posts screenshots every single day of every entry, every exit, every P&L, every day live on our VIP Gold area. VIP Gold members, are you in here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Am I telling the truth? Does he come with receipts every single day?
100%.
Oh, man,
Absolutely. No being actors here.
Yep, it's every day. It's live every day. He's over
Don't
there.
find out, people.
Yeah, every day. Literally every
Not
day.
hard.
Yeah, every day. One of my other trading moderators, Mark, has been green every day too since October. Did you guys know that? He's been green every single day since October. Have you guys known that? Every day. Every single day. So it's funny when I hear about, all the percentages of people doing what, and I'm over here, I've got people that are 7, 8, 9 months green every day, following the rules. That's incredible, right? It's not one. I told you, this ain't a unicorn. This isn't like a one and done. Oh, we found one person is really good. It's awesome. We just get it done on the daily. On the daily. Head over AmericanDreamTrading.com right now. Get signed up. Join the best of the best of the best. The most elite squad ever put together. We are the Avengers, here to protect the world. Am I right? Thank you. Appreciate you. It's 10:42. Let me play my little spiel because Daddy needs to get paid too so he can help more people. Give me one moment. It's a 4-minute video. Let me play this and then we'll get back. 1 second. Here we go.
You guys want to head over to AmericanDreamTrading.com and get signed up at least for the free Discord. Make sure within the first 24 hours you verify your account. You will get an email from us to make sure you verify your account, or the system will kick you off thinking you are spam. You guys can get into our premium membership at
By the way, moderators, as soon as this gets done, you guys can take over for a minute. I'm going to run over and use this restroom, and then I'll be back. Go ahead.
At $125 a month. With that, you'll get access to the membership lounge, which we have an open microphone where you can ask any questions all day from 8:45 until 4 o'clock. You guys will get all the hot stock picks, which we've already posted and have already been making money on this morning. You'll get the pre-market setup, which will give you key critical areas at the opening bell and throughout the day. The IPO Center, so any new and exciting IPOs that come out, you will have access to those. Any earnings that are coming out, and of course, our videos on demand. We have 11 full training videos to get you started. Things like the 2-minute EWO, day trading, swing trading, covered calls, cash secured puts, etc., all inside of our premium membership for $125 a month. When you guys are ready to upgrade, I highly recommend, regardless of how much experience you have, signing up for the VIP membership starting at $500 a month. With that, you'll get the pre-market access starting at 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. every day. You guys will get access to the VIP lounge, all the workshop classes. We put one of those on every month, and the previous recorded sessions. You guys will get the VIP training videos. We have over 50 advanced training videos for you, and the Trading View indicators. If you have a VIP, you can upgrade to the gold add-on, which is an additional $250 a month. You can get the mastermind classes, 1 hour of tech support. If you need us to remote in and help you get your charts, etc., set up, we can do that for you. You'll get weekend training every Saturday at 11 o'clock. You'll get the VIP Gold Lounge access, priority help desk support, our news service, which is worth its weight in gold just for that. You'll get all the breakout rooms every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at noon. Everything, of course, for you as a gold member will be recorded. So if you are gold for crypto futures or stocks and options, all the sessions will be recorded for you. And of course, you'll get our exciting live Apple chat. We've got David over there in the mornings showing you exactly what he's doing with the 2-minute EWO and just the Apple, which is one of our amazing strategies that you guys will learn here. So we have our futures membership, our regular futures membership starting at $250 a month, which the futures is going on right now. They are, again, just like us, every day with a live open microphone from 8:45 to 4 o'clock every single day. You'll get all the futures education, all of the training videos, the futures lounge. The Trading View indicators are actually included with the futures memberships that start at $250, and of course all of the extra Zoom classes when they have them. Crypto is the same thing. If you guys want to jump into the crypto, that one now is also $250 a month and includes the Trading View indicators. Same thing, all the training videos anytime that the Zoom sessions are available. Now the Zoom sessions for crypto is a little different just because it's a 24-hour, so we try to bounce that one around so you get different time and different events. We are always posting those, so you guys make sure you take advantage. And of course, a Diamond Lifetime membership. With that, you get everything. Unlimited, lifetime access, all of our membership services, meaning anything that I create. Platinum's coming up, you'll have access to it. I believe that's going to be $1,000 a month. Diamond, you'll get access to that. It'll just be $20,000. You guys want to head over to AmericanDreamTrading.com and get signed up.
If any of y'all are watching Apple, just watch out because it hasn't made any type of real moves to break out of the channel. So the contracts are getting bounced all over the place. I've seen bad fills this morning. So I would really be cautious because we have earnings at the end of the week. So
what you're saying is if you're not very great just yet, take a day off, right?
oh yeah, well y'all saw me. I posted up one of my screenshots earlier. If I would have scalped only, I would have made money, but I held on to some contracts and those contracts just caught me and ripped. I think I took a loss on my first trade.
Yeah.
Don't forget, you can paper trade. You know, if you want to practice your channel trading or getting in and out and mechanics and so on, you know, don't be afraid to paper trade.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So some days are easier than others. On them harder days, just take the day off. You'll save yourself in the long run.
True that.
I agree with that. David, did I hear you in here?
Yeah, I
Yay.
posted my first. I took a hit on my first one, and then I ended up making money back on my second one, and then my third one took me back into the green a little bit more. So I'm only, well, I shouldn't even say that. I'm only up 361, but I'm green.
Nice
So
job. Only people would kill to make an extra $300 in a day. Trust me.
I know I almost kicked myself in the ass for saying that.
Yeah, love it. Love it, love it. Good job, buddy. Appreciate you. Oh, somebody somebody subscribed. Who's subscribed to the TikTok over there? 18th person. Who was that? See if I can find it. Somebody subscribed over there, moderators. You see that? And I don't see where it's at. Thank you for that money gun too, by the way. Ruger, I see that. Appreciate you. Let me see if I can see who this subscriber was. We're trying to get to 100 over there. Hold on. Nelson. Nelson, thank you. Nelson 1689. I appreciate you. Thank you. Listen, it's just to help the algorithm. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Look at that. You got a VIP badge now over there. Very cool. Thank you. I see Spy still under this 200. Apple, I'm looking over here. Let's take a peek. Yeah, you guys crashed out. So popped at the open, then went under VWAP. Tough trade. Yep, and you're right. I see it. And then the second trade was good. Yep, I see it. Good job. Yeah, definitely a harder trade in there, though. Look at that, though. David was still able to pull out the victory, right? It's glorious, my friend.
Hey, Coach, can you take a look at Amazon? Give me your opinion. Looks
Yep.
like a triple top coming.
Yep, absolutely. Yeah. Yep, definitely be on the triple. Yeah, 234.29. Oh yeah, you're definitely on it. You're on a double top now. Yeah, you're on a big double top right here, partner. So if you've been running that up the whole way, I'd definitely be collecting until that made the new move, right?
Yeah, I've been in it all morning.
Yep. Yep. Not financial tax or investment advice, just my own strategy, right? Closer we get to this 234.29, right?
Yeah.
Yep. Good job though. Made good money on that. Nice work. It's a great trade you did. Good job. Right there is what it looks like.
Yeah, earnings on Thursday, so figure it
Mhm.
might continue to run into earnings. We'll see.
Yep, it could. Just don't hold that bias just in case, right, partner? Oh, what do we got here? Just had a
Yeah.
blood. Amazon just had a blood candle leading into a second candle. Look at this. Oh, first time it's trying to break through the 9 now. Off that double top we just talked about, right?
Yeah, I've been trying to discipline myself more to what you teach because the past I always try to write it out, hope it would break.
Yeah,
Sometimes
hold
it
it
does, but
forever, right? Give back.
yeah,
Yep.
8 out of 10 times you're correct. It just gets its face ripped off.
Yep.
It totally works. Thanks.
Yep. Yeah, look at that, partner. Yeah, because the thing is we collect at those spots. You can always either go back in or add again once it breaks it, right? There's no reason to just sit there with it, right?
Yeah, definitely. That's what I've learned from you. That's exactly what I
Look
do.
at it. Look at it. Look at that. It has not done that all morning, has it? Is
No,
everybody?
it's tapping a trend line an uptrend line I got
Look,
on it
look
right
at
now.
that. Everybody in real time, Amazon just died. Does everybody see it in real time as we discussed it? Right?
Yes, sir.
Look at that media team. You should have a giant video on that. Look at that. Just total destruction at the exact time we talked about it. In real time, show the aftermath of this completely blood red horror movie that is now Amazon from the top. Yes? Look at this thing.
Yes, and along with that, you've got SPY with the 2-minute EWO to the downside. It broke VWAP and held. So
I see it. Look at Amazon. We did this live, right? Now, could you imagine if he asked my advice and then didn't listen? Right?
Yeah, I know what you're gonna tell me. You're consistent.
There may be a reason why we've made so many millionaires in this room, right? There could be a reason. There could be a common denominator from the training.
Yeah, the biggest mistake I think I made in the past is I wouldn't shed. I was
Yep.
all in, all out.
Right.
You know, I just wouldn't run that program. That's really helped a lot.
Yes, good. Yeah, collect as it goes, right? Lock in the profits. That way, if it ever does go against you, you're good to go, right? Especially in those key areas, though. Oh my gosh, it's so critical. Like SPY, you guys are coming down to that 637.20 where it just continues to bounce. So if you were right shorting that off the 200, which I told you up there was that major level of resistance, right? You would have collected at VWAP. Pulls through VWAP, boom, you could have entered more. Or again, comes down to that 637.20 area. You already know. Either take 80%, get the hell out, watch for a bounce. It's just like, it's clockwork, right?
Yeah, take a look at Tesla, coach.
On it. Oh my gosh. Ripping again, huh? Whew. Oh, wait a minute. What did it hit to the penny to bounce?
Pre-market high.
What was the number I gave you earlier, everybody in the room?
322.60.
Yep. Didn't it? Did it or did it not hit it to the penny and take off? Yeah, I have marked 322.63. Let me pull this up on the big screen. 322.63 right here. What does this say?
That says, look at all them buyers.
What does that exact number say that it stopped on exactly to the penny? What's this say? It's circled on my screen. Tell me now.
Oh yeah, sorry, sir. 22.63.
Is this the card?
Can you believe that?
Well done, coach.
Good job. It's almost like we know what we're doing in here, right? You look at this. If I pulled this all the way over here. Ding! See it? That's nice. At some point, you guys are going to get sick of making money. Maybe. I don't know. Some point you might get bored making millions of dollars. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe not.
I doubt it.
Yep, maybe not. You never know. Nice, thank you. Stock Slinger, I see you in there. Thank you for the 3-year anniversary testimonial. I appreciate you.
Appreciate you, coach.
Love your face, man. Gosh, don't forget, we are live 3 times a day. Mark will be over here training you on futures from 2 to 4. And then we have the aftermarket. The aftermarket every day at 5 o'clock. Tesla, new high a day. Now remember what I said? Tesla had that massive upside momentum. I said it will want to break through. It will want to finish strong, right? Do all the things. Pulled back at our exact level. Bounced at the 200. Broke back through resistance, 322.63. Came back for a retest, made new high at 326.23. Pulled back all the way down to what was once our old resistance, became support, 322.63, new high a day, right? You can't write this any better than what we've done. Right there was our double top. Right there is where I said hammer this to go long. Right here is where I said to collect. Right here is where it pulled back. I said to go long. Right here is where you would have, right? You saw these blood candles. It came all the way back down again to what was once down here as resistance, becomes support, and now we're new high a day again. Yes?
Glorious.
Wow.
Isn't that exactly? I mean, this is exactly what we said, exactly what we do, exactly how we train you. I show you every day what, when, how, why, right? It's glorious. It's glorious. Glorious. Good job.
And the shorts are really big on Tesla.
Mm-hmm.
High volume there.
Yeah, they're going to get spanked pretty good. I wouldn't be shorting this at this point. Now, let me look. Let me go back and look. Let me see. We might have a key area here. Let me look. Does anybody know what the next major level of resistance is? Why these sellers are coming in? Anybody? Right here. Oh, right here. 320. 328.67 major level. See it? Did it just hit there? I can't see where it's at now.
328.24 is where it is.
Yeah, let me look.
No, you're still about 50 cents shy of it.
Let's take a peek. Yep. All right, it hit 28. Yeah, I got it gapped up to 89-ish, so I didn't see anything in here around this 28, so I'm not sure what these goofballs are doing in here, but this could just be a normal candle, right? Candle sell-offs, no big deal. Because notice it hasn't dropped yet. See it?
Yeah, coach. I mean, you don't need it to get to critical level for a breathe back, right?
Correct. Yeah, it's just normal stair-stepping, situation. Yeah, it's still making a nice move. SPY is still, like I said, overall downside. It never came back. It could never break the 200. Consistently still pulling back on SPY, right? Fact. It's in a great spot to get hammered. It has tapped this area a lot to the downside, hasn't it, gang? SPY is now 13 cents away from previous day close again on Friday. Remember I told you that 637.20. Remember me saying that earlier? I said that's at major level of support, yes? Is this thing on?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Keeps doing it over and over and over. Apple, second 2-minute EWO to the downside. Not good, though. That's not good for a downside entry. Can anybody tell me why right now?
Sitting right on VWAP.
That's right. That's a no bueno. If anything, that wants to go up, right? That's just a pull back off of VWAP.
Very good, David. You knew that answer.
David's rocking. David doesn't play. David is so freaking good. He is the Apple whisperer. Let's be honest here. Okay? Very nice. All right, what time is it? It's 11:03. Did anybody make any money today?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely, coach.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Anybody learn anything today?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
Every day.
Appreciate you. Keith.
Got to do money.
Keith Forrest over on TikTok just subscribed. Thank you so much for that. I appreciate you, Keith. You are now the 19th subscriber on our way to 100. Appreciate you. Very nice. There's that apple bounce off of VWAP. Now here's the real question. Those of you that are in the 2-minute EWO to the upside on Apple, who's still holding that contract? Two-minute EWO, did it break below VWAP?
I even got out because we were back into the negative.
Oh, then yeah, no, you don't want, never let it, never let it go
Yeah,
green to red. Yep.
We haven't had real strong moves to get us that big.
Nope, that's the rule, isn't it? Never.
Overpriced.
Yep. Yeah, never let it go green
Contracts
to
are
red.
expensive because burnings this week.
Oh, I got you. And it looks like, let me pull this up on the big screen. I see why too. This 2-minute second. Oh, that's why too. The premium would have been, yeah, I got you. The premium would have been outrageous coming off of this candle. So yeah, that breaks you even. You guys see what I'm talking about? This green candle. So if you'd have bought right here, look at it, right? You'd be flat or red. See it? That's why. But if you were able, obviously, to get it down here, which is what I was thinking in my mind before I looked at it. But if you would have been able to get it down here, right? Shed. And then you'd be holding here. Bounce, right? But yes, good call. Yeah, I see it. You guys, you had to pay a huge amount of money for it.
Yeah, but we did. We had 3 pops where we were able to collect money, so
Yep.
we were able to hold on to runners until the bitter end because there was a availability of collecting on the way up.
Yeah, good job. Nice work. ES here looking good for a pullback again. Same with SPY, right? We're watching VWAP. This keeps teetering down here on that bottom. If you guys see a break and hold below 637.20, right? So you could use 637 in your head, right? Below 637, that'd be my short, right? I'll mark it. 637 would be my short right here. Not financial tax or investment advice. Right there. That's what I'd be watching for. Everybody hear the sound of my voice?
Yes, coach.
All right, good deal. Good job. All right, gang, that's going to do it for me today. I'm pooped out. Everybody have a blessed day. Let me thank all my moderators. Appreciate all of you for being here. Thank you so much for the support, gang. We could not do this without the moderators. Not at all. Not even close. Thank you to Ange, Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, Eric's Moto, Jeffrey, Dom, Mark, Miranda, Eminem, Palm Coast, Ralph, Richard, Unhappily Housewife, Diesel, Dan, Mountain Man, and Gilly. Thank you so much. Thank you, of course, to all my military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, we appreciate you. Thank you to my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach.
Thank you.
Blessings.
Appreciate you guys. Everybody have a blessed day. Love your face. I can get on later, I will try just to hop on, at least go over there and hang out with Mark.